Welcome to English class with Miss Faith. Let's learn about shapes around us. Listen and say. Circle, circle. Square, square. Triangle, triangle. Star, star. Rectangle, rectangle. Oval, oval. Speaking practice. What shape is it? It is a circle. It is a circle. What shape is it? It is a triangle. It is a triangle. What shape is it? It is a square. It is a square. What shape is it? It is a star. It is a star. What shape is it? It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. What shape is it? It is an oval. It is an oval. Let's review. Repeat after me. It is a circle. It is a circle. It is a triangle. It is a triangle. It is a square. It is a square. It is a star. It is a star. It is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. It is an oval. It is an oval. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.